So guys, at last you have another admission round, and in this admission round you can apply for bachelor level studies and you can apply for master's level studies. So in this video I will show you step by step how can you fill up the application, how to upload documents, and if you require IELTS or not, and how to find the universities. So this video is very important if you are planning to study in Finland in 2025. So the class will start from January 2025. It means your session will start from January next year, January, and the application has already started. You can see from the screen that autumn joint application to higher education, and it started 28th of August. It already started. You can now make the application and it will end 11th of September. And what is the deadline for uploading documents? The deadline is 18th of September. So you have 1 week after you complete the application, because you might need to upload your educational documents, IELTS paper, all the things. So that's why they have given you some time. So let me go through from the beginning. So this is the website Opintopolku. You can see from here opintopolku.fi, or you can also write Studyinfo.fi. You will come here and you will see. So you can see the application instruction. Okay, study program available, and you can see the details when the application will end. Let's see application instruction. So there is no registration fees. And you can apply to 6 degree programs by this application form. So if you make mistake and if you have already submitted, you need to make another application. So the first application you did, it will be discarded. So the latest application you will do, this will be counted as your final application. So you can cancel your application until the deadline. So you know it now. Sometimes the student ask me, they might do some mistake in their name, in date of birth, this kind of things, and then they don't know how to do. That's why I'm saying you in the beginning, you can always make the new application, and the first application you did, that would be discarded. So this is the instruction. You should read it. I don't need to read. They're not so important for me. Study programs available. Yes, we will go there. The study programs that you can study. I will show you an easy way to find the study programs. So let's click this. You can see you can apply to 6 study programs. You can mix, you can apply to bachelor level, and you can also apply to master's level at the same time. You can also do like, you can if you are going to apply to master's level studies, you can apply to 6 degree programs at the same time, or you can apply to 6 bachelor level degree programs at the same time, or you can mix. Maybe you're gonna study if you have already completed your bachelor. So what you can do, you can maybe apply for 3 bachelor level studies and 3 master's level studies if you want to get a option for both. So let's click this. Yes, so this is the new format. This wasn't before. The last time I have uploaded, you just this identify and fill in the application form. This wasn't before. This was not available before. So they made this for the students who live in Finland, who have bank identification. So for me, I can do it. I can log in to the system, and my personal details will be there. I don't need to add all those details. But for you, if you are from outside Finland and for the first time you are applying, so just click this one, continue without login, and then this is it. So check 18 answers. So you just need to check 18 answers and then you will submit. So let's go through this. All the details here, 1, 2, 3, you can read this would be good for you. You need to know everything. And then application options, here you need to select the study program. So add program. So there is bachelor level studies and master's level studies. I have already counted. You can apply to 16 bachelor level studies and 13 master's level studies. So if you are going to apply for bachelor, so just write here bachelor. Okay, so all the bachelor level studies you will see here. So I already counted 16. So you can see Bachelor of Business, Haga Helia University of Applied Science. So one thing, in this application round, you will not find research universities. For example, you will not see Helsinki University, Aalto, Tampere. They are not taking students in this application round. You will only see University of Applied Science. They are also taking students for bachelor level, and they are also taking students for master's level. And if you want to apply for master's level, remember you require 2 years of work experience in the field of study, and that has to be after your graduation. So when you have graduated in your bachelor level, after your graduation you need to count 2 years. So let's go through bachelor level. So you can see Lab University of Applied Science, Lahti, Haga Helia University, Helsinki. If you want to study in Helsinki, you can choose like Haga Helia. This is Kouvola, is a bit far from Helsinki. Lahti is like 1 hour from 1.5 hours from Helsinki. Then Joensuu is 3 hours from Helsinki. Then Helsinki Pasila is in the Helsinki, Haga Helia University. So it depends what you're gonna study. You need to select Kotka. Kotka is quite near, 1 hour drive by car. So you can also study there if you want to come to Helsinki for part-time job. So there are not many programs, so you need to find yours. So let's check for master. So if you write master, easy. You can see all the degree programs for master's degree, and you can select from here. So let's select first bachelor. Okay, and then I will select this. Okay, this. Okay, so you can select 6, it doesn't matter. I'm just randomly selecting, and then you need to fill up all of this. So if you change your nationality, you don't need this one. Your email address, email, phone number, your country phone number. The email address is very important, so that's why there is 2 field. So don't do any mistake in your email, otherwise you need to make the application again. And then the address, then you do this, and no contact language English, and then you can select this one and just put your higher secondary level. If you want to apply with the bachelor level to bachelor study, you can also do that, this one or this one. So if you don't have bachelor level study, so this one for you. If you have done diploma, you can also do this one. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, there are some important information here. Read them. So if you have a passport from Finland or from European Union, you do not need to pay any tuition fees. Or if you have permanent residence in Finland, you do not need to pay tuition fees. So otherwise you need to check this one. I do not have any of this, and just upload your passport. Click here and upload your passport, scan copy of your passport. For me, I have the Finnish passport, so I can click EU citizen, and I am a citizen of Finland, and then that's it. Yeah, but for you, I will choose this one and upload your passport. And then international UAS exam, you need to attend entrance exam. That will be online remote exam, so you can give the exam from your country. if you're from Asia, Africa, or wherever, it doesn't matter, you can do it online. And you can write, yes, I will participate in the entrance exam, and then you need to upload your language test certificate. So if you have IELTS academic or IELTS, let's see how many, yes, you can apply with IELTS, UK VI online PT academic, online PT academic, UK VI, and TOEFL. So you can see in IELTS you require 6.0, TOEFL 60, PTE academic 55, and Cambridge English scale. So check this, and it must be uploaded by 18th of September. If you get your certificate after 18th of September, you are not eligible for entrance exam. Okay, so let's go. So like this, and then you can upload your certificate here, and the personal identifier that would be in your certificate, IELTS certificate. There would be a number, you need to put the number here. Okay, remember a pin code, you can write 1 2 3 4 whatever pin code. So when you log in to the entrance exam, you need this pin code. So remember this pin code. Sometimes the student forget, but if you submit this would be in your email, so you can always go back and check. Okay, and yes, so the verification. So you need to do the verification through procuring application, and sometimes students ask me how to do the biometric verification. So you must upload your passport, and you should do the verification with the same passport. So you need to upload your passport here, or your EU card. Let me check here. There should be a instruction, but I have a video on my YouTube channel how to do the identification. This is the pre-identification, you can see here before the exam, and you will get the invitation by 23rd of October, and then you need to do the verification. So you need to have a Candor ID mobile application in your phone. You need a smartphone. So all the details you can check from my video. I have 2-3 videos for identification, so it would be really clear for you if you watch that video. Okay, let's check one thing. If you change your email address, then it says that if you change your email address after 13th of October, you will not receive any email for entrance exam. So do not change your email after that. I don't know why you would do that. I don't find any logic for that. Okay, let's go a little bit down. Yeah, then upload your passport, and you can also apply with the SAT test score if you do not want to participate to the entrance exam. And this university, Karelia University of Applied Science, they accept SAT test. You can see the program here. Only this university they accept SAT test. Otherwise, all other degree program I have selected, they do not accept SAT test. So if you have SAT test, you can just click yes and fill up this information. What about the lab university application? So every university has their own details, and you need to fill up those. And your entrance exam will happen on 7th of November 2024, 12 o'clock Finland time. So if you don't know anything about entrance exam content, I have many videos on my YouTube channel. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel about entrance exam questions and patterns and samples, everything. And if you want to practice paid test, you will get Udemy content on my Udemy channel. So I will put the link in the video description. You can click and you can go there. So I have always discount for that. So it's $15 or 15 euros to practice, and you will get many questions there. So most of the questions are similar to my Udemy exam content. Okay, so these were pretty easy, and if you upload everything, then at the end you don't need to answer this. So let's go for the master's degree. So I will remove everything. I will remove mostly everything, and I will show for the master's level. So this search thing is really good, and let's say I will study this one. Okay, and you can select based on your preference. Then you must select this one. This one should be your selected bachelor or master's. You can also upload your master's degree. It doesn't matter. If you want to apply, if you want to study master's level study, you can upload your master's degree. This will give you more chance to win against other students. And remember, in master's level degree, you do not require IELTS certificate. It depends. You need to check the university. Some university they ask GMAT, some university ask SAT test, and some ask entrance exam, some ask preliminary assignment. So you need to check those. After you fulfill the application, you just submit the application, and then this will go to your email, and you can edit until 11th of September. So guys, everything you have in this video, and now you know for bachelor level you require IELTS and you require your higher secondary certificate. For master's level you require 2 years of work experience after your graduation, and you need to complete a preliminary assignment and entrance exam. And for bachelor level you require entrance exam, and you can watch all the videos from my channel. So guys, the study will start January 2025, and if you wanna study in Finland, so you can make the application. So hopefully now this is clear to you, and if this is useful, thumbs up, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. So guys, see you to my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.